Hi friends, today we discuss an interesting topic, star citizens of any country. Everyone talks about kings, freedom fighters, social workers, VIPs, celebrities, artists and successful people. We see them as a role model to build our career. One point we realize our abilities and wish to realize the dream through successors. The same happened with us too. Our parents achieved and put us a step forward. That's what happens normally. Country is defined by the nature of the citizens. Citizens are nothing but today's children who are in the hands of beautiful parents. In our country, India, since cricket is the famous one, each child wants to be one future Virat Kohli. How Virat Kohli turned now the successor of Sachin Tendulkar. Same in case with Sachin Tendulkar is the successor of Sunil Gavaskar. Who is next? Time only answers this $1 billion question. Nowadays, children along with education exposed to learn the extracurricular activities which also equally important for a child to shape up as a perfect human. The education system in India may get revised during this NDA term before 2023. Okay, just look back at our school days. Teacher used to ask what you want to be in life. One says soldier, one says teacher, one says doctor, one says engineer, one says lawyer, one says chartered accountant, one says cricketer, one says chess player, one says badminton player, one says dancer, one says musician, one says actor, one says political leader, one says business, one says scientist, one says hacker, one says social worker, one says police, one says photographer, one says Formula One driver, one says tennis player, one says golf champion, one says like father, one says like mother, one says like brother, one says like sister, one says like grandparents, etc. There are many answers. Now, only few of us became what we have dreamt, isn't it? Yes, it is due to various reasons. We settled at one time depending upon the surroundings. Those are the learnings which we should not do with our children. Definitely perspectives are different and it changes dramatically with unforeseen incidents. But focus of our children's growth completely is in our hands only. There may be conflicts with kids on choosing a field to take up, similar to the case with you when you opted for medicine course but studied engineering education or interest during primary, higher secondary, junior college, diploma, graduation and post-graduation education in ages changes accordingly. This is quite natural with human behavior. Age and relations controls one unconditionally. No need to prove this one. Only 10% to 20% is in our thought process. Actions and reactions all are accountable due to response to surroundings and circumstances only. In reality, to make your child a world-class cricket player or your kid want to be a cricketer, it completely depends on how you travel both in one ship. Keeping him in a sports school or paying to a coach or buying the necessary kit will never give the required output at all. We pass one year to another year after timely assessments and by taking part in final examinations. So there are many checks in education among students and parents who are studying the basic. Why that can't be applied in the goal set by you to become a cricketer? Always both eyes of anyone, either daddy or mummy, should be there on the kid until professional cricketer. There are many things which they can't share with the coach or co-cricketers or themselves. Correcting the kid at wrong steps and directing into right kind of frame is very well maintained by the parent above the coach. Coach is concentrating on huge number of aspirants, whereas you and your kid are taking him as a guru to reach the aim. Shouting by coach is different from the telling by parent. Definitely the results are going to be the mind blowing. See the latest movie Saina, how her mother continuously with her till she become the national champion. Definitely parents are bit shy to travel with kid. They should not be shy when you want to see a star citizen of your country. So the star citizens of any country can be quite simply in the hands of both parents and their kids. So this story might have helped you, and thanks for watching. Please share my YouTube channel, subscribe it and like it. Thank you.